Today we're in Clubhouse Hills. This is Hulbert Homes' brand new gated community. This right here, we're going to get to see the first one that is completed, available for sale. This is on lot 19. There's only 21 lots in this community. This is just a gorgeous house. Let's go take a look at it. All right, been super excited about showing you this home. This is one of, again, 21 homes we're going to build and sell in Clubhouse Hills. Notice again, first of all, gorgeous pavered driveway, sidewalk, back patio. A couple things I'm going to show you. I'm going to walk you up here a little bit. We've got a couple that are under construction right up the road. You can see straight ahead is the gate, so it's a gated community. Clubhouse Road is a couple houses up here, and this is on the corner of Banana Road and Clubhouse Road. So I want to give you an idea of the plat map. You may have seen this in an earlier video. This is going to be one dead-end street, 21 lots. We're going to look at lot 19. Lot 21 is this home right here. This is coming within the next week. And then we have lot 1 right here when you first come in, which is available for sale. That will be coming soon also. So a great location. You've got Publix, supermarkets, 2 minutes up the road. And this has got some fantastic curb appeal with the white brick. Now this is kind of nice. Notice you're not going to have a bunch of just mailboxes sitting around here. You've got the cluster boxes, which is nice and clean for the look in the neighborhood. Going to walk you through. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with an office. Nice size home. Look at the modern garage doors. You can see Hulbert, they do a great job with landscaping, the extra rock along here just to prevent mulch from just spilling all over the place, running downhill if you know, when we have rain. And so it's a gorgeous package. Try to give you some of the details, some of the looks. Really well constructed. Now, when you first walk in this home, it is a beautiful open field. Take a look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Real wood floors. Gorgeous color. Super neutral. Match up anything you'd like to match up with these. When you first walk in, you can see the dining. It's got a huge, massive dining area. Back up here with the double windows. And then here's your office. Double doors here. I've got them wide open, but you could use this for a separate sitting area, but it's really an ideal office. Overlooking the front of the home. They've carried the wood floors everywhere. Notice the high baseboards, really nice. Love the paint color on this to give it some accent. Crown molding all in the main area here. Gorgeous crown molding. Let me see if I can get a zoom on that. Kind of hard to see, but you get the idea. This is a nice touch. Let's make our way to the kitchen. Quartz countertops. Could easily put some bar stools up in this area. See the color. Stainless steel appliances. Got that really pretty green tile backsplash. Now in Clubhouse Hills, again, you can build a custom build here if you'd like, or a market ready home, which is what this is. Get the farm sink, love the gold faucet here. And then here's like for a table, like a breakfast nook. That way, you can see it's nice and open. Now, a couple things straight ahead here. This way you have closet pantry for food. Big laundry room, ceramic tile flooring. Additional folding table here for your laundry. Big old cabinets. This is really nice for hanging clothes up once you get them out of the dryer. And then again, the ceramic tile flooring. Now, this is really nice. What Hulbert does is all your wiring is going to be here. All your like internet wiring. Let's see if this is open so you can see it's all clean. Ethernet. ready to go. They can put the modem right in here, plug in right here, and then just kind of mount it. So it's really nice and clean. And then this way, it's gonna be our big, huge 3-car garage. And take a look at the epoxy flooring. Gorgeous. It's a really nice neutral color. Now this is kind of nice. Just turn this off. So I've turned the lights off, but look at the natural lighting you get because of these garage door, I like the panels. So this is kind of nice. You have to flip a light on every time you go in the garage. And this one's a little bit deeper over here. Now with this, I believe it's just a service door that goes out to the back. So this, we'll walk in a minute, but this is just out to your AC handler. If you want to hide your trash cans out here, you can do that. Fully sodded lot. Usually don't show garages off, but when they have nice floors like this with the flex flooring, it's kind of fun to show them off. Water heater, didn't even see that, that's over there. All right, let's go take a look at the whole house. So we looked at the office right here. Let's go look at the primary suite. Straight back this way. Nice size, you've got the double windows. You could put a king size bed there with end tables. And then this is overlooking the backyard, which we'll do a walk around in just a minute. Two walk-in closets. This one has multi-layer shelves. Same thing with this one. A little bit of space around the back of that. And then your master bath. This has the space where you could put a footstool here for makeup. It's really nice, the wood cabinets and then the faucets. Hey, I'm trying to get myself in there, but sometimes you just can't help it. And then this is great because it's got a linen closet right here for all your towels, all your toilet paper, what have you. Toilet room, pocket door for privacy. And then this shower has a shower door. Nice and open. Love this tile. Take a look at this tile. It's beautiful. The texture goes all the way up to the ceiling. A couple things. You've got the bench or the place to put your shampoo, ladies shave your legs, soap, washcloths, all that right here. Notice you upgraded all the panel doors with the modern fixtures. Heading back over here to see the remainder of the home. You've got the other 3 bedrooms and full baths. So right here we've got the guest bath and then the 3 bedrooms right here. So they're all clustered back here together, but they're good sized rooms. A little hard to tell from the video, but I would love to give you a walkthrough in-person walkthrough, private tour of this. You have to also FaceTime you to see it a little bit at slower speed and look at any more details. If you're not in Florida or in another city, you'd like to see that, I would be happy to FaceTime you and help you that way too. You can see same cabinet color, ceramic tile flooring, beautiful, nice and neutral. You can put your own accent colors there. And then this bedroom looks like it's even deeper. The window and of course the closet is around the side. And then bedroom number 4, closet around there. So no carpet, nice and clean, good for pets, kids, traffic, high traffic area, it's wonderful. So a couple things, what's really nice is you get the good old built-in double trash cans here, soft close. Beautiful kitchen. All right, let's go take a look at the outdoor space. You can see it's just clean, super modern, builder's warranty, nice heavy sliding glass doors. What's nice about that is Hulbert just uses quality products. You're not gonna get any production home type of quality. This is, look at the stucco job, you know, the beautiful ceilings, pavers, extra little things. Put your TV up here with your electrical. even landscaping around the back here. If you want to screen this in, we can help you do that too. But the landscaping's all the way around, really pretty. Let's take a walk around it. You can see the backyard, what they've done here. I've already set up some palm trees to get some privacy, a little bit of a buffer between the neighbors behind. And then way back off to the corner here is the retention, and then we have another lot next door. And just to kind of give you an idea, since we're right here, and we'll have a home site right here. We're building one straight across. Now that backs up to Clubhouse Road. So behind this wall here is Clubhouse Road. And then I showed you on the diagram, it just dead ends right back to here, cul-de-sac. And that is it. So small, really nice, quality, same builder. You're not gonna get a hodgepodge of different builders and lower quality products. Gated community, close to shopping schools. Get down to Bartow in 10-15 minutes. Also, you can take 98 South and you can take that route to go downtown Lakeland. The Polk County Parkway is pretty close too. If you need to run to Tampa and Orlando, we are, I don't know, probably, depending on which way you go, 7 minutes from the Polk County Parkway, depending on traffic. So I hope this has given you a good idea of this amazing home. Would love to show it to you, give you more information about it. All my contact information is below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey, if you've enjoyed this walkthrough video, smash the like button. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Make a comment below. Just say, hey, Brian, I loved this feature about this home, or tell me more about Hulbert Homes, what else you're building. Whatever is on your mind when you're watching this video, let's connect. Let's talk about your real estate needs, any questions you've got regarding real estate in all of Central Florida. I'm here to help you. Please reach out. My cell phone number is right below. My name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.